tainug, hanoe. A bit of escapism, because when I read Yiddish books, and I'm so much involved, so much engaged, first of all in understanding the language, and I look for words, and I am trying to understand the idioms. I'm so far away from my daily, kind of Kleinigkeiten, the daily problems, many, many things that, all of us know. So it gives me a kind of a daily paradise, because the Yiddish literature is so diverse, and the poetry is so verhattendik. It kind of vacuums you into it. It's so wonderful.